One question we frequently get from young families is, what do they need in terms of estate planning? How do they need to prepare for incapacity or even death? And that's a wonderful question. And we here at Relational Estate and Elder Law believe that every young family needs a relational estate plan. They need a plan that will take care of their family if something happens to them. So if you're in this position, here are 3 things that we recommend that every young family should have. The first thing that you need is you need to name a guardian for your children. Now, the technical name for guardian is guardian of the person of a minor. And what it basically means is that you're appointing somebody to be a backup parent if you're no longer able to do that. And this is honored by courts as long as you set it out in a will. So if you set it out in your will, then a court will ensure that who you appointed is the person who will have the legal authority to take care of your children. We recommend everybody do this, and we like to see you name backups as well. So you have one person as the primary choice, and then you have multiple backups. And if the person you're appointing as the primary choice is not local, it's a good idea to have somebody named as a temporary guardian who can step in until the long-term person can get there. So that's recommendation number 1. The second recommendation is that you create an underage trust. Now, an underage trust is a legal structure that prohibits your kids or prevents your children from receiving their assets until they're older than age 18. By default, under the law, if something happens to you, your kids will receive their inheritance on their 18th birthday. And most of the time, I don't have to convince folks that that's a bad idea. So an underage trust delays them getting control of the assets, but it allows them to be used on their behalf during that time period. We like to start at 25, but some folks find that it's best for their family to even go older than that until the children receive control of their inheritance. Before then, the money is still used for them, but someone else makes those decisions. So that's the second thing we recommend all young families have, is an underage trust agreement. The third thing is an ethical will. If you haven't heard of ethical wills before, they're a fantastic tool, and you can find more information about them on our website. But in short, they're a way that you can pass on your values and beliefs. So it's a way of writing down what you thought was important and that you would want your children to know if you're no longer there to communicate that to them. We've seen them be incredibly powerful and moving when parents have died sooner than they expected and they had taken the time to create an ethical will. So we believe all parents of young children should take the time to create that as well. So those are the 3 things we think that every young parent should have as part of their plan, in addition to all the other standard legal documents. If you have more questions or you would like help with putting together a relational estate plan for your family, please give us a call. We'd love to talk with you.